conceived this idea of doing a virtual Delhi book fair 2 months back. When we contacted Pragati E, we find that we can do it. And Pragati E platform gave us a very good demonstration. And when they showed the complete concept of this book fair, we were very excited and we were so happy that somebody from India, vocal for local, as the Prime Minister Modi has said. So we thought that doing it on a local platform and making it international, Delhi Book Fair will go a long way to the international viewers, and the Indian publishers will get a very good opening in the international market. So we announced this book fair, and we are very happy to announce, we are very excited to announce that more than 110 exhibitors have participated. We have got a very good views of more than 3 lakh viewers who have come to the book fair, who have visited the book fair, and to our surprise, we have got very good sales event. We have got lots of comments, and we have just concluded those comments from the exhibitors, and these are not the finishing of the comment from the exhibitors. We welcome all the comments, we welcome their views, we welcome their suggestions. This is the first ever virtual book fair by anybody in the country. There might be many drawbacks, there might be some drawbacks, there might be no drawback from one's point of view, and from others' point of view there might be many. We are open for discussions. We are open to listen to all those suggestions. We wish to make it a regular feature for the publishing industry.
In conducting this virtual Delhi Book Fair, our Honorable Education Minister was kind enough to send a virtual inaugural message to us, which has boosted our morale. At the same time, our Honorable Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, also sent a word of blessing for us. Mrs. Meenakshi Lekhi, Member of Parliament, was also kind enough to boost the morale of all the award winners who got the Award of Excellence in Book Production, which FIP does every year during the book fair itself. So this also was very well done. Shri Jay Pandaji, our Member of Parliament, who is also National Vice President of BJP, was kind enough to inaugurate Pragati Vichar platform, where a number of webinars were held. A number of speakers came in and gave their views on different topics related to not only book industry but day-to-day life.
We wish to add that apart from webinars, apart from the visitors coming to the fair, a lot of persons have even come personally. It came to a surprise to us. People thought that the physical book fair and the virtual book fair are going together. But this virtual book fair has opened a very good venue for the publishers that they can showcase their books, the work which they have done during this COVID. Publishers have done a lot of work during COVID, and we were worried how to bring this work to the public. So this virtual book fair has done a lot for that.
And this virtual book fair has presented our books to the audience all over the world. Ambassadors and High Commissioners of India from 10 countries sent their messages, video messages as well as written messages, encouraging this kind of book fair happening from India. Capaxel also supported, which will encourage export of books from India in the future. So in this way, I must also acknowledge that a number of visitors came to the book fair, even bought the books, gave good comments, encouraged us to have such events on a regular basis. So this is an encouraging response. I must also thank Tabri Prasad Singh, who curated Pragati Vichar for us, and Mrs. Anu Talwar, General Manager of Federation of Publishers, and other colleagues who are working day and night in the Federation, who supported a lot to make this event successful.
Even ePragati people who have worked day and night for the last 2 months, their team of more than 100 dedicated professionals have done a lot of work, which has come as a very, very pleasant surprise for FIP. They have made it a success under the able guidance of their CEO, Mr. Kapil, and many more. I wish to name Gaurav, I wish to name Sharad. These people have really worked a lot. And I will especially mention Sharad, who after even getting hit and he was hospitalized for 2-3 hours, even after that he just left the hospital and came to see that everything goes all right. पढ़ेगा भारत यह विषय जब कोविड टाइम पर सभी स्कूलों में पढ़ाई हो रही थी तो हमने कहा जब पढ़ाई हो सकती है, जब बच्चे ऑनलाइन आकर क्लासेस अटेंड कर सकते हैं तो हम वर्चुअल बुक फेयर क्यों नहीं कर सकते, हम अपनी पुस्तकें भी तो दिखा सकते हैं। और इसी विचार को सार्थक किया प्रगति ई प्लेटफॉर्म।
When we conceived the idea of virtual book fair, at that time we were quite skeptical about it, quite hesitant also. But when Pragati team came to us, they showed us their platform, so we were a little bit convinced that we should go ahead. And after these 2-3 days of experience, what we have seen, the response has been very good. We have been able to fulfill the requirements of all the publishers. Initially, exhibitors were not showing that much interest, but on the last day itself, there were several publishers who were ready to take stalls from us. That was the response, and there have been several takes from this book fair. I think more than 2,000 visitors have come from abroad just to visit this fair. Similarly, few sales have also taken place from abroad. That clearly shows that we have been able to market it properly, and in future we can always think about making it an international book fair. I think Federation would be thinking very seriously about converting it into an international book fair, and this way we will be able to promote our Indian books to the international community, where our rights, Indian publishers would be able to sell their rights to the third world countries, where our books, though they are of same quality at the Western books, but we would be able to offer our content, our books at a much lower price and in a cost effective manner. Earlier, publisher you had to go to the Frankfurt or London or some other book fair. I think the cost element will not be there at all. It would be so cheaply, if they will be able to so cheaply promote their books. I think this is the platform we need it, and now we have it, and we will have to further enlarge its scope. That we have to see how we do it. I think with Pragati team we will be able to achieve so many other milestones with this team. I am really hopeful that we will have a bright future with this bright and this technology, and book industry no doubt was going, or even now is going through a bad phase, and we would be able to resurrect it to a large extent.
Publishing industry is doing a wonderful job. In India, we are producing very good books with very good content, which is being liked in the third world very much. With this book fair, with this type of book fairs, Make in India concept will come alive. As we can show what Indian publishers can do, what wonderful matter they can produce, what content they can do, and the production also is very good. So with this, we can even promote the Government of India initiative of Make in India, which is very important for us. We will mention one very important name. It is Pranav Gupta, the youngest office bearer of the Federation of Indian Publishers, who was very enthusiastic right from day one, and he was very clear that this is going to be a very successful book fair. And on the popular demand of the exhibitors, we have extended this book fair by one day. And on Sunday, today on Sunday, we are getting huge visitors to the book fair. We are very happy, and we proudly announce that we are going to continue this book fair in coming years as well.
We are also thankful to Karadi Path Education Company and Room to Read, as well as some other sponsors, for coming, offering us good amount of sponsorship in order to be able to place this book fair in front of all of you.
I think we have received, as far as I know, what have been told to me, that visitors from more than 75 countries have come, and there has been response from more than 50 ambassadors and even publishers, International Publishers Association President and other office bearers of, they have shown interest and they were watching this fair, and this is the first attempt I think from any federation in the book industry. I think that is the first attempt that we have taken, and we hope that international community also would like to support us, not only for our books, as well as they would like to sell in India their rights, because India is such a big market with 22 languages. I think they are also looking to this country and this fair at the cheapest possible rate. They would be able to promote their titles in future, and we plan to have this much bigger and on a bigger scale and a better fair next year.
See
We are
you next
confident
year.
about.
Very
But
soon.
in a much bigger way.